All right, example number 3 now. Okay. This is piggybacking off what we did last week and just going to kind of build it into inequalities. So I'm giving you multiple equations here. So here's example 3. Can you solve and graph the following? So we're giving you an equation. You got x plus 2 is less than or equal to 7. You got 3 is less than n minus 7. So remember, our goal is always to try to get that variable by itself. So looking at this problem, you get x plus 2. What is bothering that variable? So what we see is plus 2, so you're going to minus 2 here and minus 2 here. Okay, let's see if I can get a different color. So this is, okay. So when I minus that 2 from the 2, it goes away and I just get x by itself. And then I'm going to get less than or equal to 7 minus 2 is 5. So let's go ahead and graph that. So I'm going to go to where 5 would be. This greater than or equal to tells me it should be a solid dot. Sorry, it's not greater than or equal to. It's x is less than or equal to 5. So I want to shade everything less than 5. And then I'm going to extend it and put an arrow. So I'm going to make that closed dot look a little bit more pronounced. Okay, so now let's go over here. Guess I should have told you in the beginning, divide your page up A, B, C, D, however you want to do it, but give yourself 4 different sections. Okay, what is bothering that variable n? Look at it and don't cross the equal sign, don't cross the inequality, and just see what is directly next to it. It's that minus 7. So undo that minus 7, add 7 here, and add 7 there. So you're going to get n by itself. These 7's cancel each other out. The inequality comes down. 3 plus 7 is 10. So our critical number is 10. So I'm going to go over here and put down 10. I don't need to do all the numbers in between. That's not our emphasis. Open or close dot. Here we have an open dot. And this reads, read the variable first. N is greater than 10. So I'm going to scribble and identify everything. Add an arrow. That's everything greater than 10. Okay, so here, this is 4 times W. You don't see it, but it's multiply. It's 4 times W is 12. So how do we undo multiply? We divide by 4 here and divide by 4 there. Draw the line. This turns into 1W, and this is greater than. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. So we have W is greater than 3. I'm going to put 3 on the line. Going to have an open dot. There's no line underneath. And then I'm going to scribble everything greater than 3. And add my arrow. Here we have m divided by 2. To undo that divide, I could put times 2 here and times 2 there. And I can write a new equation. These 2's go away. I get m is greater than or equal to 5 times 2 is 10. So another one that's 10. But it's a little bit different in the sense, like up here we have n is greater than 10. Here we have m is greater than or equal to. So the difference there is we draw our dot and we close it in. We can equal 10 this time. And then add your arrow. Okay? So you all are going to do the same thing. Please don't just come to this final solution. Make sure you're showing me the steps. I know some of them are easy and you can do in your head, but it's also very easy just to write like plus 7 to both sides or minus 2 to both sides. So do that step to show that you understand the algebra process.